How to manage mention settings on Threads so you can control who is allowed to mention your profile. First, open the Threads app and tap on your profile in the bottom right corner. Next, tap the two-line menu in the top right corner, then select Privacy. Now, tap Mentions and Tags. Here you'll find the settings that let you choose who can mention your account in posts, replies, or bios. You'll see three options. Everyone, anyone on Threads can mention your profile. Profiles you follow, only people you follow can mention you. No one. No one will be able to mention your account. Simply select the option that best matches your privacy preference. Your changes are saved automatically, so there's no need to tap a save button. And that's it. You've successfully managed your Threads mention settings and taken more control over your account's privacy. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick and easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.